Oh my god. I think I just found the creepiest place I've ever been.
This used to be a Victorian asylum, and nature has completely taken it back. Look at this. The hallways are literally being swallowed by moss and vines. Some of these rooms still have old beds and furniture. It's so eerie. Look at this old bed. It's like stepping back in time.
You can still see old patient graffiti on the walls. It's haunting. I can't believe how quiet it is here. Just the sound of the wind and birds.
It's crazy to think people were locked away here for years. And now it's just slowly disappearing back into the earth. If this gave you chills, smash that like button and follow for more hidden abandoned places. Which one should I explore next?